Thank you for your purchase. Congrats on choosing this and well done on taking the first step to unlocking the full potential of your chakras for a life filled with abundance and wealth. Do not close this page yet though. I'd like to know if you're interested in this special one-time offer. I know you're eager to check out your new purchase, so I'll make this quick. Only for new customers, how would you also like to enhance your learning even further with this powerful 9-part video version of Money Chakra Secrets? These video courses are presented in MP4 format and there's a lot of things you can do with these videos. Not only you'll be able to supercharge your learning, but you'll be able to retain what you've learned even longer. But wait, there's more. You will also receive the MP3 and PowerPoint slide version of Money Chakra Secrets. Now you can learn how to unlock the full potential of your chakras and achieve a life abundance while on the go. The full details to this upgrade is right below this video. Just a heads up though, this is a one-time offer, so you get to see this only once. That's right, only once. If you skip this page now, you won't be able to come back again. And if this is offered again later by any chance, it'll be at a higher price. So most video courses are priced anywhere from $97 to even $297, and home study courses can go for much higher than that. However, I have no intention of putting an exorbitant price tag on these materials. And I feel that if you want to get a better learning experience, you deserve to get it at a much more affordable price. So there you have it. Just click on the button below to upgrade your purchase.
Hey there, and welcome back. In this chapter, you'll learn about the throat chakra and how it affects your money habits. The throat chakra is located at the throat and is represented by a light blue color. It vibrates at a higher frequency as compared to the heart chakra. The throat chakra is mainly the center for conversation, self-expression, and creativity. This is where your inner voice or your own truth is expressed. This chakra also corresponds to diplomacy, your relationship with others, as well as detachment. When your throat chakra is balanced and active, you willingly express yourself and are not restricted to do so. You express your opinions freely and aren't afraid of what others may think of you. However, when it's inactive, you tend to shy away from expressing yourself as well as your creativity. This often leads to untapped talent and not unleashing your true potential. For instance, you're required to attend a meeting. During the discussion, your boss asks for everyone's opinion on whether the office should open up a new branch at a different state. Most of your colleagues don't favor the idea, as some of them would need to be transferred to the new branch. But for you, you think it's an excellent opportunity to grow the business and learn new things. However, because you're too afraid to express your thoughts and how you really feel, your boss dismisses the idea. Many people have the idea that people who have a very inactive throat chakra are only the shy and introverted types. This isn't true. Inactivity of the throat chakra can also be associated with those who speak up and are fluent in their speeches, but they rarely speak the truth. Therefore, the inactivity of the throat chakra can be understood in two perspectives. First, referring to those who are unable to express themselves, and second, those who do not speak the truth. What happens when you have a hyperactive throat chakra? You tend to have too much to share and control the conversation in a negative way. It can also cause you to not think before you speak, and sometimes your words may come across as offensive to others. And as a result, people will try and avoid you as you're not a good listener. Your money chakra. In the context of money or financial situations, the throat chakra plays a significant role in speaking your truth and worth. There are many ways that a blocked throat chakra can manifest its way to money challenges. First, a blocked throat chakra will stop you from communicating what you deserve or speaking your truth. For instance, you're uncomfortable in asking your manager for a salary raise that you really deserve. This also applies in the context of lending money to other people. You may be afraid to ask the person to pay back the money they borrowed from you. You are not honoring yourself by speaking up. There are also circumstances where you'll be needing financial assistance, but you're too afraid to do so and you think too much of what others may think of you. This happens when your throat chakra is blocked and you're afraid to confess on your money mistakes. However, when your throat chakra is balanced and active, you're able to communicate your worth and problems in regards to money. You'll ask for your deserved raise, the money people owe you, as well as not afraid to talk about the financial problems you're facing. You're not afraid to speak your truth and recognize your worth. The solution. There are several solutions you can take in order to activate and balance your throat chakra. First is through different activities. Sing whenever and wherever you feel comfortable. Be open and honest with those around you. Learn to say no kindly and firmly. Plus the food you consume. Sing whenever or wherever you feel comfortable. You can sing in the car, when you're doing your laundry, in the shower, or wherever you feel like it. Be open and honest with those around you. Speak the truth and only the truth. Do not trade your authenticity for the sake of approval of others. Be yourself, and it's important to be genuine in everything you do. Learn to say no kindly and firmly. If you find yourself in a situation where people are forcing you to do things against your principles, you have to learn how to say no. It's hard sometimes to do, especially with people who are close to you, but if you say yes all the time, you're compromising your own truth and standards. The food you consume. As the color blue represents this chakra, blue food, such as blueberries, will encourage expression. Fruits work well to balance this chakra, especially fruits that grow on trees, such as apples, pears, peaches, apricots, and plums. The reason being is, symbolically, these fruits are said to be true to themselves. They only fall off the tree when they are ready and ripe. Hi there, welcome back. In the previous chapter, we went through a quick introduction on chakra. In this chapter, we'll help you understand more about the first chakra, root chakra. The root chakra is located at the perineum, which is the area between the genitals and the anus. It is represented by the color red. This is because it vibrates at a lower frequency. The root chakra is all about being physically there and having a sense of belonging in any given situation. It also corresponds to your survival instincts. If this chakra is active and balanced, you feel grounded, stable, and secure. You don't find it hard to put your trust in people. You'll feel present in your current being and feel connected and rooted to your physical body. On the other hand, if this chakra is inactive, you may feel inferior when it comes to your appearance, like your weight, height, or body shape. You may feel like you do not have control over your life. You feel that you're not good enough and easily feel unwelcomed. You are in a constant battle of fear and tension. If your root chakra is overactive, you get easily agitated by the slightest provocation. You might also be someone who is materialistic and be overcome by greed. This may result in addiction. Compulsive gamblers, drug addicts, alcoholics, video game addicts, as well as shopaholics are prime examples. So how does it impact our finances? Do you constantly feel bouts of anxiety, stress, or guilt over money? Is it difficult to handle your finances well? Or is it hard to accumulate material wealth? These issues may be caused by imbalances in the root chakra, which usually comes in the form of major insecurities about survival. And this includes financial security, as our basic needs in life are dependent on it. With an inactive root chakra, you will constantly feel insecure about your finances, even with a sizable income. You have an unhealthy obsession with money and feel the constant need to keep finding ways to earn more money and feel stressed when you don't. You face financial problems all the time. You'll feel stuck and sluggish, but yet your fear holds you back. You never feel like you are good enough, and this affects your drive to achieve what you want in life. With a balanced root chakra, however, you find more confidence in yourself as well as your ability to earn and manage your finances. You organize your finances well. You have enough for what you need and want in life. You are also more unlikely to have an unhealthy preoccupation with money or material things. So reading through this chapter, you may find that you may have some problems in this area. You can try these suggested steps to try to correct this particular energy center. Be close to the ground. You can choose to lie down on the ground or walk around in the dirt or grass barefooted. Another good way to do this also is to visualize roots extending from your feet to the center of the earth. Try physical exercise. You can do yoga, jogging, football, tai chi, or just a simple walk, just as long as you are up and moving about. You can also incorporate more reds in your life. It can be your clothes, your house, or the items you use. Make an effort to consume more root vegetables as well as naturally red-colored foods such as meat, apples, beetroot, and tofu. Lastly, you can try meditation. It's a great way to help with chakra imbalances. 1. First, you seek out a quiet, comfortable place and sit or lie down. 2. Visualize a glowing deep red light radiating from your root chakra and feel the pulsation of its warm radiance. 3. Watch in your mind as the light becomes a glowing sphere and imagine a red 4-petal lotus flower unfold. You may realize that you have trouble getting the sphere to spin or the flower to unfold itself, which is a sign of blockage. 4. Keep breathing intent and energy into the chakra until the sphere can spin easily and freely. 5. Proceed to send the energy of abundance throughout your entire body through the other chakras. Welcome to the final chapter of the Money Chakra Secrets series. In this chapter, you realize your thoughts and perceptions manifest into your money habits and the affirmations you need to instill within yourself to be a money magnet. What you focus on expands. Whatever your perceptions are towards money will eventually manifest. Therefore, it's important to have a realization that you are in control of your thoughts and actions, as well as your own results. Everyone wants to attract abundance and money in their lives, but very few have successfully done so. Why? Because of their own negative beliefs in regards to money. This only happens when you are controlled by money. What you need to instill within yourself is that you are in control of your money and abundance. You should feel some excitement as well as hopefulness that money loves you and it is completely fine for you to love money. You need to keep your focus in striving for what you want and let go of all of those negative presumptions and assumptions. Here are 5 money magnet affirmations you can practice whenever you feel in doubt or are in the state of hopelessness. 1. I am a money magnet. 2. What I focus on expands. 3. I accept and expect abundance to easily flow within me. 4. Everything I wish for is within me. 5. I am in control of money. I am a money magnet. You need to practice the universal law of attraction wherever your thoughts and feelings create your reality. Remove any negative thoughts and mental blocks which can hinder you from accumulating the wealth you desire. You need to be ready and give permission to yourself to attract and become your own money magnet. Always remember that your subconscious mind can do wonders. When you program your subconscious positively, you can do and achieve whatever you want. What I focus on expands. Whether you can or you can't, you are right. Whatever your perception is towards money will eventually manifest. There is no doubt to 2 sides of each story, which applies to money as well. Yes, money can be the source of greed, and some may say the root of all evil. But it can also be the source of abundance and the medium to achieve your goals. It all depends on how you view and perceive money. If you focus on the negativity that money can bring, you will only attract negativity. However, if you focus on the endless opportunity that comes with money, you'll no doubt attract more wealth. I accept and expect abundance to easily flow within me. To start the new way of living, you must first accept a new way of thinking. Most people are still struggling with financial issues, and they're not capable in creating the wealth that they want because they're simply not ready for it. You must believe and think that you are worthy of money. You are able to achieve what others achieve and accumulate your own wealth. When you observe successful people around you who have already achieved their wealth, remember that it is the sign of the universe. The universe is trying to tell you and show you that you too are capable of accumulating your own desired wealth. It's now your time to open up to new possibilities and let the power of abundance to flow within you. When you give permission to yourself to grow, everything's possible. 4. Everything I wish for is within me. You must be the change you want to see in the world. Everything that you wish for starts within yourself. You must be the change you want to see in the world. Everything that you wish for starts within yourself. When you change how you think, then you'll inevitably change how you feel as well as the actions that you take. You are capable of achieving the abundance you desire when you push yourself. It is the matter of doing and not only wishing something might happen. You have to start working on your goals. Start working on yourself and take action now to see the difference. 5. I am in control of money. The most important thing to note when you pursue your wealth is that you are in control of your money, not the other way around. When you have a clear understanding and control over your money, You will never misuse the money you have accumulated. The trick is to always be smart in managing your financial situation. Measure your accumulated wealth and set your priorities. Some people are blinded by the wealth that they have instantly accumulated, and this is when their money controls them. This is why you always have to practice gratitude. Do not be overcome by greed and envy. This will not take you far. When you're grateful for what you have, this will attract more abundance. The universe will reward you with more of what you truly deserve. Start your subconscious programming. Repeat them all and have a sense of belief in everything you wish to pursue. Give yourself permission to work towards money and realize that nothing is holding you back but yourself. All the best, and here's to becoming a money magnet. Welcome back. In this chapter, you learn about the third eye chakra and how it shapes your money perceptions and habits. The third eye chakra is located between the eyebrows. The chakra is represented by the color indigo. The energy vibrates at a higher frequency than the throat chakra. When you have an actively balanced third eye chakra, it corresponds with your spiritual awakening. You also tend to have good intuition and you dare to achieve your goals. We usually associate people who have good intuition of having the sixth sense. These people will usually give you advice on certain issues. For example, they may say you should not trust a person or work with him as he or she is trying to take advantage of you. It turns out that their advice was really worth taking as the incident really came true. If your third eye chakra is inactive, you tend to depend on authority rather than instinct to make your own decisions. You may also have deluded thoughts. This also results in your being too dependent on conventional beliefs rather than rationale. People with a very weak third eye chakra are also very weak in visualizing and organizing their lives. For instance, if you were to ask them how do they see themselves in a matter of 5 years, it's highly unlikely that they can answer this question as they are unable to visualize their future. However, when your chakra is overactive, you may live in your own world and you always overthink. In extreme cases, this may lead to hallucinations where you create problems that were not even there in the first place. Your money chakra. When your third eye chakra is blocked, it will be hard for you to visualize yourself owning more money. You're also unable to foresee what you're able to do with the money you have, which includes helping others in need. The most common reason for this blockage is because you always see the world through other people's opinions as well as beliefs. You're easily influenced by other people's outlook. For instance, some people may have a perception that money and wealth will only shape you into a greedy and selfish person. When your third eye chakra is blocked, this is when you believe each and everything that people tell you without rationalizing. As a result, you stay away from money as well as having a bad perception towards people working towards it. This will only create confusion because it's not your truth. When you have a healthy third eye chakra in regards to money, you'll be able to mentally visualize the opportunities that money brings to you. You are able to spend it wisely by achieving your dreams, helping those in need, and donating more to charity. The solution. There are several solutions you can take in order to activate or balance your third eye chakra. Firstly is through different activities. Listen more carefully and attentively when you're engaged in a conversation. Try engaging with the energy of those around you. Praise and credit yourself for correct intuitions. The food you consume. Listen more carefully and attentively when you are engaged in a conversation. When you engage in a conversation, ensure you take the time to listen attentively as there may be hidden messages which may shape or influence your truth. Try engaging with the energy of those around you. Try and feel the energy around you. Are they emitting a positive or negative energy? And if so, why? Understand the reasons. 3. Praise and credit yourself for correct intuitions. Always trust your intuition, especially in making decisions. When you're right, credit yourself for it. This means you're in tune with your third eye chakra and you know the truth. The food you consume. There are several foods you can consume to balance and activate your third eye chakra. As the chakra is represented by the color indigo, fruits such as blackberries, plums, and grapes are effective in balancing your hormones and intuitions. You may also consume yam as well as purple cabbage.